honorable guests, dear teachers, dear friends, dear family, dear staff, dear all this evening. Since I have my diploma signed by Timothy already, I can speak honestly. And probably my speech may sound a little bit not inspirational, but still it will be honest, a true story about studying at KC at business course. So, you know, in psychology, there are 5 stages of grief. And in business course, there are 5 terms. You know, those 2 things really correspond. And when the first term arrives, the denial arrives. The denial comes actually before studying, because the very first time you see the stack of all the books in a library you need to read, you say to yourself, come on, I won't need it. You think it will be just a stock or a dust. No, it's not. It's not. You will read every single page. So, the denial comes also when you think, come on, I was a top student in my university. I can handle everything. Maybe in some time. The second term, the anger. The anger arises when you have the real tough homeworks, the tricky ones. My colleagues will understand. You get anger on yourself because of procrastination. You get angry on your family, friends, your colleagues, because never interrupt a student of PC while doing a homework. Never. You better not. And if I was paid for every single time I was arguing and shouting on my colleagues while doing the casework, while doing the homework, I would cover my student fee. Third term. The third term is when you think that all the worst has gone. The mess is done. No, it's not. Actually, it's bargaining. The bargaining arrives at lessons first. Because when you understand what financial instrument is, the bargaining about adjustment comes. The fourth stage, depression. The fourth stage is like the first term. Both of those are like the last survival seasons. You know that show when each week you lose one part of a team, one member of a team. That's how it works in KC. Because from the very beginning you better not to remember all the classmates. Normally, here are 15 of us. I think there were about 30. I actually don't remember. It's impossible to calculate. The 5th term. Now you're okay. Now you handled all the things. Now you just have 2 sessions. What is 2 sessions for a KC student? It's just nothing. And at the very end, just before maybe the last finals, you understand that now you became the KC student. Because to become a KC student, it's not to get in KC. It's easy. But to stay still, that's not a piece of pie. And now, when we are sitting here, I want to say how much I'm grateful to my friends, to my teachers, for giving us such a big challenges, actually. But only through those challenges we became who we are. Because only through the big challenges we can estimate our abilities. We can see what we can actually. Because in KC we never say, I won't do that because I don't know anything. You will know, because there is no other choice. And I want to say you something about the people here. I mean the students, the graduates. Probably in Ukraine you won't find such a tiny spot when there are so many clever, so many active, so many, I hope, prosperous in the future people that are open to the world, that are modern-minded, that thanks to our teachers and самую важную часть я хотел бы сказать именно так, потому что, наверное, они все все-таки говорят по-английски. Мы должны были к этому прийти. Я хочу спасибо сказать тем, на самом деле, благодарю, кому мы здесь находимся. Это наша семья, наши близкие. Это люди, которые сделали самый главный вклад в то, что мы вот здесь сидим, получили эти дипломы. Потому что именно они не поняли бы, если бы мы сдались на каком-то этапе. Они сделали нас такими, что мы пришли сюда, что мы здесь выдержали. В хорошем смысле. Это все была позитивная информация. И то, что мы выпускаемся и смотрим позитивно на мир, на будущее. Спасибо вам всем, спасибо нашим семьям. Лично хочу сказать спасибо своим близким. Thank you all. I love